Regularly disinfecting your Clover device not only helps prevent the spread of germs, but also helps your device work better and last longer. To avoid damage, it's important to use the right process and cleaning solution. Here's what you'll need: disposable gloves, 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle, soft lint-free cloth like microfiber, and water. We'll start by turning off and unplugging the device. Next, use a little water on your cloth to clear off dirt and smudges. Now, spray isopropyl alcohol directly on the cloth to disinfect the unit and touchscreen. When cleaning, avoid getting liquids into openings or seams. Instead, use a dry cloth around buttons, cable connections, and areas where cards are swiped or dipped. Last, make sure the device is dry before powering on again. All set. To learn more, visit clover.com/help.